What up, cuz? What up, plug? What up, bros? What up, zoes? What up, hoes? What up, do, folk? Happy New Year. Man, y'all been seeing all this telling, man. Boy. How did YSL people sleep at night, man? All that telling be angering me because I've been told on too many times, bro. Man, been in and out the courtroom since for 2 decades now. Been a felon since I was 14. I got 3 different distros. Every single time they gave me the opportunity to tell. But I lay my head down, go to the cell, lay down flat on that blue mat in the max. I ain't looking back, cuz. Man. First of all, I never helped the police. Fuck the police. They didn't even want my people or my friends like this. They say, give up your competition, man. Your enemy. Man, you're gonna do 0 time, not even 1 day, not even an hour. You won't be in the Inquisitor. It's all under the table. What's the big deal, man? I ain't helping you. Fuck you. That's my mistake, man. You ain't gonna take my respect from me. I can hold my head up high still, man. Even though I ain't in that life no more, I got these gray hairs, and I ain't scared no more. That's why I'm on the YouTube shit. I'm still iffy about telling my personal shit. Like my last story was my first accidental overdose, and I'm gonna do another story on an accidental acid overdose. I don't think nobody likes them type of stories, but anyway, man, I couldn't do this shit, man. Then don't judge a book by its cover, neither. You put me in the line with all the YSL people, they gonna be like, the white boy gonna snitch first, man. Ain't nobody telling over here, man. Then the judge, he'd give you more time for not telling. They think you're trying to be hard or something, but that's just how it goes, man. Get more time for not telling, man. Then the gang Rico is like a set of dominoes. Gunna was first. Some are gonna stand tall, they're just gonna go around them till they get Young Thug, and their gang is dominoes, pieces spread all over the fucking place. Ain't nobody, they all folding, cuz. Don't matter if 1 or 2 are laughing at the judge. All of them are supposed to do that. Laugh at the judge. Then the trial's only 2 weeks away. I'm used to waiting 2 years for my trial in Louisiana. In the South, you waiting years for a trial. Just for some weed. For real. If you can't bail out for a little weed charge, you're gonna do that 2 years till they take you to trial. That's crazy, man. I can't believe Zero did all that telling on the news. Got my boy trethetruth locked up, man. What's up with the hip hop community? Then I hear him on the phones. Got all their girls saying, "You better snitch, man." Even my mama know you can't snitch, cuz you know how much that put your family in jeopardy, bro. Around here, man, then they've been told way before that they're headed this route. Wallo had told them $1 million worth of game. Wallo should be respected and listened to, man. Charlestonwhite told him he should be respected and listened to. Shout out my boy Death on 23 and 1. He got a fire lockdown content, be reminding me to stay free. I can hear YSL be talking now about all these crazy investigative tricks, man. One time they kept me in the hot sun, and I had to tell them my damn self, man, fucking, I went through the roadblock, had a blunt in my double cup, seen the roadblock, did a U-turn, went back to the party, gave them my herb in my double cup, man. Went back through the roadblock, they pulled me over, smelt the weed, and had me out in the hot sun for hours till the shade came and hit me. The shade tree hit me. I was like, relief. And they scooped me a little over every time the shade would hit me, so I'd stay in the sun. I was like, fuck, I only smoked a little bit, man. Y'all let me go. As soon as I said smoke a little bit, they put me in cuffs. I had told on myself, man. And that's what I learned early. You can't be telling, cuz, man. Just shut up. Fuck them police. The only ones I respect is the homicide detectives. One violent situation I went through, I got investigated by Rod Damery. He's a good homicide investigator. This before he was a homicide, I assume. He's in Louisiana, got a show called Homicide Chose Me, I think. I think that's his show on ID, Homicide Chose Me, or something like that. He's got a crazy story too, man. Shit. This is about the 5th time I did this video. I'm sorry if I'm repeating anything, man. My damn camera's fucking up, man. I can't feel bad for none of them. They all had opportunity, man. Then they saw this coming from a mile away, man. Then I hope ain't nobody following fucking Andrew Tate. That's what you get for being a lame-o, man, doing all that talking. You end up in jail with a lame-ass girlfriend on Instagram, OnlyFans, whatever that shit called. Too much talking going on in the community and shit, man. Hope y'all like my last story. It was an accidental overdose story when I was 5. And I'm gonna do my next story if y'all like them. It's my accidental overdose, man. Some people think you can't overdose on acid, but you can. I'll see y'all. Y'all have a happy New Year's, man. Peace. Stay fresh, cuz. We just